welcome back to a new vid today, man. Hope you guys are doing good. You guys are staying safe out there. Today we are going to do something to the transmission to help with the shifting. So a little easy upgrade that you guys could do. So if you don't know what these are Detent Springs or Detent Springs, something like that. I'm not really sure, but the 3 little springs that go into the transmission to help the shifting get, you know, like notchier, as you could say. Dude, I have to take all this off because I have this dumb little battery thing. Kind of don't like how this battery selector is because of this intake, the way it goes, the battery will be in the way. So they became me a battery location. So it's up here, but I gotta take this off so I can get the transmission that's down there and get to these little OEM springs. So basically, simple, smooth, right? So what these springs are supposed to do is when you go into the shift, it's supposed to give you that nice little click and like notchiness to it, like stiffness to it. So basically it'll give it like a way better like feel going into the gears and all that, instead of it being like, oh, you know, oh, it's so smooth and it feels so sloppy going in, you know what I'm saying? So to intake, do not put that in. Get a different one because this is giving me so much more extra work to do. Like I had to take the ECU off. Well, obviously I had to take the battery out, but ECU I had to take it off because I couldn't get to this bolt right here that I need to get to take this off because I need to. And it's just giving me so much more work to do for no reason. So get a different one that relocates down here because it's better, because you have all the transmission stuff in there just in case you want to do the bushings or you want to change your transmission fluid, whatever. But bad. But so where you're supposed to get to those, where those springs are at, is under this bracket. So please hold up your transmission with a jack under, so you know your transmission doesn't go down or anything. So just hold it under. And it's this bolt, the bolt over there, this bolt, and there's another one in there, and then the bracket thing should start coming out. So I was wrong. 3 bolts. This one, the one right there, and then the middle one. Those only 3, not these 2 that are over here. Though that's the actual mount that's holding those 2 bolts. So forget what I said about those 2 bolts, just those 3. Bracket is out, and I am sorry guys, but there is one more in the corner. I did not see it. So there is 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the bracket should come right out. It should just look like that. Like I said, hold up the transmission because the tranny is just free. So hold it up. The 3 little holes, 1, 2, 3. These 3 little holes right there. You gotta open them and the spring should be like right in there, and then they should be able to pop out. It doesn't really matter which spring goes into which because I think they're all the same. But 3 little springs, boom, boom, easy. Just pop them in. Screw it back in, put everything right back. Guys, do not forget this washer that comes with the bolt. Oh, it fell. But look at the difference in the springs. Whew, hella long. And these are way stiffer compared to these. These are like worn out, like so easy to squish already. But these, yeah, put some force, but I'm not gonna do that because, but yeah, super big difference. Hopefully, it feels way better. 3 springs are out. Everything's tightened back up. So now basically all you gotta do is just put everything back. Let's see how it feels. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah. You gotta, oh yeah, it feels so much better. Look at that, boom. Instead of just going like straight in, it gives it more like tension. Like you really have to like push it in now, instead of just freaking just flying in there. If you guys want a $15 upgrade, get that. Simple is easy, honestly, and it just feels so good. Like it feels so notchy and like a little click, like I don't know how to explain it, but it feels way better than before. Before it was just so like loose and so easy to go in. Like now the little notchiness is there. But hey, if you want that hybrid, pretty sure there's other companies that have it, but I got mine off hybrid. $15 plus shipping is probably like what, $20 honestly, but that's it. Easy little upgrade, better shifting, better feeling, and everything. This man's trying to do the most ghettoest V-stack.
It's not ghetto, it's clean.
Trying to get over that pipe. If you guys don't know what a V-stack is, intake that goes from the throttle body straight to the fog light. So it's pure cold air, bro. Pure. See, this is a short ram, so this thing sucks up all that heat. But nah, this is all that cold air right there, boy. Grab it. It's so ghetto. So like connects to this pipe right here.
Grab it from the bottom.
Ah, I got it. This is so ghetto. Yo, it's already in. Look at that, yo. I've never seen a V-stack like that. And it goes boom. Yo, this is like a $20 build, guys.
Watch out.
Damn.
Should look clean though.
It looks low-key Orient, like you would have bought it from a store. But then it boom, Home Depot, boy.
Oh, it's
little flex pipe.
bigger.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's so weird. He could literally just put it down there, let it sit, so you can put a regular filter on for, like, you know, when it rains, because down here it rains, you know, that water goes in there. Sucky suck, and boom, boom, goes the engine. But he could let it sit down there. Let's say someone wants to run them. Oh, what's up? Take the filter off. Boom, connect it. Super air, bro. That'll be it for the video. I have another upgrade I have to do, so that's dealing with the transmission too. So if you guys are looking for transmission upgrades, yo, right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Like, comment, subscribe. Be safe out there, guys. Stay home, do your quarantine builds, stay out of trouble. Peace out. Love y'all. Stay safe.